Hi everybody, welcome to Caketastic Cakes. It's Jen and we're going to make Captain Marvel's star logo today. So here we go. Alright, I started out by going online and just finding a picture of the logo and printing it out. So no special tools or anything needed here. I took some gold gum paste, rolled it out to maybe a quarter of an inch thickness, probably even thinner than that. It's really not too thick. And just cut out the star. That's all I did. Just cut out the star. Make sure the points are nice and straight. You can see there's a little crinkle right there. Just make sure you don't have any little tags hanging off. And then we're going to start making the lines. If you look at the picture, the original picture or your template is probably going to have little lines going up and down and across it. That's what we're replicating here. I'm using my mixing tool or my rolling tool and using the knife, just making a straight line, not too deep. You got to be real careful you don't go too deep because you might cut through it or make the groove too big. But just go from one star's tip to the other, straight down the middle. And make sure it's nice and defined, nice and even. Do it again on the other one. You're going to connect the star tips for each crisscross. So you're going to have 4 lines total that you're going to make. Be careful when you go across the middle that you don't, see I kind of bend the line in the center there, so I try to push it back a little and I'll fix it. So yeah, really work on going nice and straight. Keep using your ruler or whatever you're using if you need to. I like to wing it and live on the wild side a little bit. So I'm just freehanding it, but my knife blade is pretty straight. So there you go. You got all your star tips connected. Now you're going to go to that space between the star tips. You see what I'm doing there? I'm using the back of my knife blade to make a deep indentation, and it's also fatter. It's wider than the regular bladed sides. Again, if you look at your star, it's going to have I don't know, it almost looks like diamonds coming together to make the star shape, so that's what this look is supposed to emulate here. I'm just trying to copy it. So again, nice and careful. Don't press too hard. You don't want to smush it. Don't go too far. Be careful where you connect in the center. And when you're done, then you're going to start doing the last part of the detail. The outside edge, you can see, has kind of an outline. It follows the shape, the outer shape of the star, but it's set in a little bit. So again, I'm just freestyling this. If you need to lay your star template on top and put little marks in it to indicate where the line should be, go right ahead. And just very carefully connect the lines. Make sure you don't overshoot your line so that it, like right there, I could have crossed over and gone into the next diamond section. That would be very bad. You'd probably have to start over. So nice and careful, you get it all marked out, and then it looks a little something like this. Now I'm just spraying it with a good thick coating of some edible gold shimmer. And yeah, that's it. I put it aside and let it dry. And you have yourself your Captain Marvel star logo. Very simple, right? So check out my other video. I have the Captain Marvel there. That should be up and ready to go. Please like and subscribe. I'll catch you all next time, and thank you for watching.